If you would like to fix your emergency call only, no service, no SIM card detected on Android problem, today's video I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, you have to launch your settings application. And once it is so, you have to tap on connections. And here you have to turn on your airplane mode. Make sure that you turn on your airplane mode for at least 10 seconds. Once the time is up, you can go ahead and toggle it off again and see if this fixes your problem. Another thing you can try is simply tap on this button of search bar, type in SIM card. Use the SIM manager, open it. Then here tap on SIM manager again. And then simply tap on this more SIM settings. Tap on SIM card security. Make sure this is not locked, even for your second SIM as well. And once it is so, if it's still not working, then here is the last thing that you can try. At the top search bar, type in reset. Tap on to reset. And you have to reset everything. This will keep your device on a default mode if you tap on reset, and every changes that you have made till now will be gone back to default. So if you would like to do that, you may go ahead and do it, and this shall definitely fix your emergency calls only and no service detected problem.